To blend photos in the Canva mobile app, open Canva on your mobile device, upload or select any photos you want to blend from the Canva library, and then let's first resize them and bring them into position. Once it's done, scroll horizontally in the bottom of this page until you find the apps. Click on it and search for Image Blender. Select the first one and swipe down this window quite a little bit so you can select the image you want to blend. Select the one you want to blend and also select linear right here in the tools. You will see two circles connected with the line, so if you click and drag one of these circles, you can see that the more you increase the distance between those circles, the more blending effect you will have. The shorter the line between those circles, the more sharp the edge will be. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, click on Save. The effect will be applied and you already can see this blending effect looks great. If you select the image you have blended and click on Adjust, you can also adjust the brightness, contrast and everything so it engages more to the other image. This image is now ready to download. To give you another method to blend photos inside of Canva mobile app, start from the beginning again and resize the images. This time I'm going to put the second image right on top, a little bit smaller into the center. Again, scroll horizontally in the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Search for Image Blender and this time select the second one, Blend Image. Here you must select a bottom layer image and a top layer image. For the bottom layer image we are selecting the one in the background, and for the top layer image we are selecting the one in the front. In the preview you can already see how it looks like. To show you what kind of blending options you have, just select the drop down inside of Blend Mode and try different blending modes. Choose the one you like and prefer the most. For example, in my case it would be Lighten. And then scroll or swipe down until you see Add to Design. Click on Add to Design, resize everything, adjust it to your needs, and here you are. Thank you for watching and see you next time.